All right, guys, so the time has finally come and I received the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition. I've been waiting for this card for about 3 weeks from the time of when I applied for it, and it has arrived about a week ago, but I decided to not open it and use the physical card because I want to show you guys how the card looks without any scratches or anything of that sort. But it has finally arrived in the mail, and in this video we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition. If you have not applied for this credit card yet and are thinking about applying for it, I will have a referral link down in the description below. Although this did take a couple of weeks, I did receive a notification in the Gemini app which said there has been a delay in shipping out these credit cards, but it's finally here and we're going to get right into it. So the credit card came in this outer package. It's a bubble wrap outer package with the credit card envelope inside. So this outside, outer envelope is just for protection, which is really nice. And it did go through USPS Ground Advantage. All right, and this is how the package looks. And that's it. All right. I'm just gonna open this up, and the envelope is in that outer package, right? And it looks like it came from New Jersey. It says, "Welcome to the future. Invest as you spend." All right, I'll show you guys. It'll probably be inverted on the camera. All right, now I'm going to open it up. And here it is. Here is the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition. It is absolutely stunning. And on this paper, it also has the Gemini logo. Now I'm going to take this credit card off and show you guys how it looks. Wow. This is the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition, and this is a metal credit card. So you have the Gemini logo up on top. You have XRP on the side. This is a World Elite MasterCard, and it has like a gray design to it. Of course, this is how it looks on the sides. And then on the back, it has your name and your expiration date of the credit card. And then it also has a tap feature as well. But this is how the credit card looks. Really nice, very sleek. It is a metal credit card, so I can't bend it too much. This is it right here. So for those who don't know, with this credit card, the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition, you can earn 4% XRP back at gas, EV, and transit, up to $300 per month. 3% back at dining, 2% back at grocery stores, and 1% back on everything else. All right, guys, so this is going to be the sound test of the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition. If you are going to be applying for it, or if you already have the card, let me know what your opinion is on it. When you click on the referral link, a QR code should show up, and you could just scan that with your phone. It'll take you to the application to apply for the Gemini Credit Card XRP Edition. Again, you get $50 in XRP, and I get $50 in XRP when you are approved under my referral link. And if you found this video informative, helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.